Right, it's got to be Bethanie. I see there's a turn off to the right for the airport. Bethanie Airport, so I wonder what that is. That could be, well, maybe that's the for Fish River Canyon. Maybe. But there's got to be Seaheim or Aus. No, Seaheim's more. I don't know, I think Seaheim I think is the eastern access point all the way down, and then Aus might be the western access point. But there's got to be airstrips down that way somewhere. Anyway, here with Bethanie. Filming. Bethanie. Dorpie in the middle of nowhere. We'll have to find out what its claim to fame is. Like Gideon was Captain Witboy, if I remember his name correctly. Welcome to Bethanie. Jeez, I think I'm going to the Bethanie Hotel. Okay. Let's see. Soos ons gaan. It's like a Vrystaatse dorpie, a Karoo dorpie. It's a feel. Bless the Lord, I'm here early. Well, not like yesterday. Really getting warm. It's still got a cool to it. Drop speed a bit. Just over 2,000 revs, trundling along at 60. Kardashian view for you, Richard. Let me turn it sideways a bit so you can get a little bit of town view. That's straight. I think that's straight enough. Bethanie Hotel, Padstal entrance. I think that's where I'm staying. No one behind me. Good. My MTC. I'll have to come and see them. No, I can't. But I'm leaving early tomorrow. And it's Sondag vandag. Bethanie. I think this is where I am. Bethanie Guest House. Hotel and Guest House. Where the hell am I staying? Okay, I guess I better... Oh, I don't trust that. I guess I better... where is my... was it hotel and guest house? I've got no idea. Alright, I'm going to waste your time, I guess. I'm going to sit in the shade here and pull out my email. Ek weet nie of ek hier is nie of nie.